Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You definitely don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a decline of 0.64% so far. This amounts to an average daily loss of 0.04% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements along this path. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential change of 1.52% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 3.92% to positive 5.25%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it suggests a change of 31.88% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 27.06% and 40.41%. This would result in a price range from $641.73 to $709.15 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline: a decline on Thursday for VOO ETF after a decrease of nearly 0.25%. The price of the VOO ETF decreased by nearly 0.25% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, dropping from $506.30 to $505.05. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.2%, with a low of $502.90 and a high of $508.94. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances, resulting in a total decrease of nearly 2% during this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with the ETF's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 182,000 shares, totaling 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.69 billion. Throughout the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the ETF was $519.40, while the lowest price reached $375.95. Currently, the price stands at 2.76%, or $14.35, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, continues to be a central topic in investment conversations this September 2024, as it provides a straightforward method for gaining broad exposure to the U.S. market. Recent insights highlight the ETF's appeal, particularly for those in search of reliable long-term growth and income through dividends. With the S&P 500 recently closing just below record highs and rising nearly 19% year-to-date, investor sentiment remains strong. Notably, VOO is emphasized in discussions regarding high dividend-yielding companies, showcasing its significant potential for income generation. Investors are encouraged to view VOO not merely as a passive investment, but as a strategic element in constructing a diversified portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Furthermore, the ETF's historically robust performance compared to professional fund managers enhances its case as a fundamental choice for both novice and experienced investors. In the near term, the ETF may experience increased inflows as investors seek to take advantage of its dividend growth potential and the overall market momentum. However, the recent record-high status of the S&P 500 could introduce a degree of caution among investors, possibly leading to short-term volatility. Nevertheless, in the long run, VOO's established track record indicates that it will remain a reliable vehicle for those aspiring to achieve sustained growth and income. As more investors become aware of its advantages, VOO is set to gain even greater importance in their investment strategies. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this presents a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $511.33. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $502.79. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 30th, 2024, with the ETF having fallen by 2.5% since then. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 195 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $489.91, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically experiences good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is assessed to be low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $6.04, representing 1.2% between its high and low. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.31%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $507.56. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $489.91. If this support holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $483.94, reflecting a decrease of 4.18%. This exchange-traded fund features low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 22 days ago. Is the VOO exchange-traded fund a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive trend, leading us to conclude that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of September, we anticipate that VOO will open slightly higher by 58 cents and commence trading at $505.63. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be made solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.